Hello. In the following video, we're going to go ahead and graph the following rational function. We're going to plot and label the vertical and horizontal asymptotes and the x-y intercepts if they exist. So the function that we're going to graph is f of x equals 1 divided by x squared minus 4. Okay, first thing we're going to do is look at vertical asymptotes. So for the vertical asymptotes, we're going to take the denominator and set it equal to 0. Add the 4, square root property, which means x equals plus or minus 2. So we have actually two vertical asymptotes of x equals negative 2 and x equals positive 2. Fantastic. Now, let's look at the horizontal asymptote. To do so, we need to look at the degrees. The numerator doesn't have an x, so technically there's an x to the 0 power. So the numerator is degree 0, the denominator is degree 2. And notice that 0 is less than 2. That's that first condition that we saw. So we have y equals 0 as the horizontal asymptote. And notice that that just means that the x-axis itself is the horizontal asymptote. Good. Now let's find x-intercepts. To find an x-intercept, we set the numerator equal to 0. So the numerator is 1, set it equal to 0. But notice that 1 equals 0 is not true. So therefore, there are no x-intercepts. And now for the y-intercept. We basically want to find f of 0. So it gives me 1 over 0 squared minus 4. And simplified, that gives you negative 1/4. So the actual coordinate would be 0, negative 1/4, which would be right there. And then my recommendation at this point is just to graph it in the calculator, and it's going to look something similar to this. Alrighty. Well, I believe that's it for this particular video. I'm going to go ahead and end it here, and I will see you in the next one. Have fun.